Hello my dear students, and welcome to one of our SAT problem. Today we will be talking about the inequality, system of inequality. As you see in the figure before you, you have x and y axis and you get the inequality here, and the line are dashed, is not solid lines, so that means there will be no equality. That means it will be greater than or smaller than. And of course you can solve this problem very easy, but let me give you some hints on this problem. First of all, check the first line on the top there. You will see that there is no slope, or the slope is zero. If the slope is zero, so you're gonna have an equation compared with the y, or written in y like equal to or greater than or smaller than. Then do you see for the choices, all the choices you have here, there will be 3 as a y-intercept, so that means this number over here will be 3. Anyway, for inequality, if it's a greater than for y, you go up. If it's less than, you go down. For x, if it's a greater than, you go to the right, and you go to the left for the same thing. For the smaller than, you go to the left for smaller than. Anyway, let's check the first line here. The first line, the horizontal line here, so that means y will be either greater than or smaller than 3. And as you see, the solution is in this area. If it's in this area, so this line will go down, right? It will go down like this. That means y will be smaller than 3, right? And there is no equality because it's not solid, it's dashed line. Let's check the other line. So the other line, all of them, there is no y-intercept, so that will be much easy. And we will see the second line, as you see, is right here. And this line, is it going up or down? If you look at this line, they meet up, right? So you're gonna have to go up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. In order for both lines to meet in this area, which is the solution, let me make it in a different color here in this area. So this is your solution. Let me clear it out a little bit. So we went up again here. We went up with the blue and the yellow. So that means y will be greater than x, right? Because we're going up. So look at your choices. The first one, the second one, y smaller than 3, y smaller than x. No. Y smaller than 3 and y is greater than x. Here we go. That's what we're looking for. Y smaller than 3 and y is greater than x. I hope you find this video is interesting to you. If you like the video, push the like button and also subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the new videos for the SAT problems. And I hope every last one of you will be okay. Thank you once again.